Doktor Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka District AIDS Control Officer John Ribhoi District, ke Dr. E. Kalwing, Klapentip, Bahar Ribhoi District, dan Kumbah Nyuspa Prapu Arngun, Kebelangat Khñiang Jingpang HIV, kat hadu unus nyam arajar apusan, Mak Sauspa Prapungun, Kidi Bidang Im Khñiang Jingpang HIV, kat Balai Spa Repu Saungun, Kidi Belas Nang Benyo Jingkot. Ya ka jing rakhi halo ke World AIDS Day, rakhi Ribhoi District. Hak Azrik unopra aratar pausan, dega jinga shimbintalang, jong Menteri Kesuarga Jelau Basos Tena Sotun, Belalong Kubukongsan, Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District, Wabilash Baranwal Kumusumbur Kongsan, ke District AIDS Control Officer John Ribhoi District, ke Dr. E. Kalwing, ke Samla Pulina Spat Kiwe-Kiwe.
World AIDS Day 2025.
World AIDS Day 2025.
I solemnly pledge. That I will stand united. Against HIV and AIDS. I pledge to spread awareness. Promote prevention. Encourage early testing and treatment. And support every person living with HIV with dignity and respect. I pledge to fight stigma, discrimination and fear.
There are about 10,000 people living with PLHIV in Meghalaya, and out of which 500 are children. And in Ribhoi district, there are about 782 PLHIV, and out of which only 480 are on treatment on ART, out of which 364 have achieved viral suppression. This is a good news for us because one PLHIV, they have achieved the viral suppression. That means undetectable, that means untransmittable to others. So we should encourage all people living with HIV to come to ART so that they can they can achieve the viral suppression, so that they can live the normal life like you and me. This increases in number is not random. It's not just happen overnight. It's deeply linked to high-risk behaviors, as we all know, the mode of transmissions of HIV, that is including unprotected sex, unsafe injections, substance abuse, and lack of awareness regarding the preventive measures. Unfortunately, despite progress in treatment with the highest quality of drugs, availability in our program, and awareness program, the infection is still ahead of our prevention efforts. This should concern all of us, not just health workers, but communities, students, institutions, and also families. One of the greatest challenges we continue to face with HIV is stigma. People living with HIV often face discrimination, not because the infection is incurable, but because society still holds outdated belief and fear. Stigma forces people into silence, discourages them from seeking testing, and isolates those living with HIV from the care and emotional support that they need. Let us remind ourselves, HIV does not define a person.
HIV/AIDS will not come and tell you that I will come and stay with you. You will not know, as I stated. It's not coming like to press the bell or to knock at your door. It's a silent killer. It's a silent disease which you'll never know. And this disease we can overcome only when we all know through what the medical teams have already stated and explained to you. With medical terms and the awareness that each and every one of us, we should follow the right direction as explained by the medical officers. In this team, this year, the observation of World AIDS Day, this team, it encourages each and every one of us to take part. To take part in any programs helping our people, be it in town or be it at the rural villages. Come out open, speak out and explain to each and every person so that they can understand well and they can understand Thai. Get a good knowledge of it